today we're taking a look at the One More triple driver high-res audio earphones. These aim to bring you the premium audiophile quality without the premium price tag. So normally these days I don't go through the unboxing, but this box is too nice to miss. The packaging is beautiful and a lot of care has gone into making this what it is. So the box itself sort of looks like a book. It's magnetically shut. Once we open it up, you can see just how well packaged this is. On the inside cover, we've got lots of images about the production and creation of these multi-driver earphones. And if we look over to the right hand side, you can see just how well packaged this is. I was pleasantly surprised when I opened up this box, but the first thing we get is the wide range of tips available. These range from 10mm to 14.5 in the silicone tips and 11mm to 14.5 in the foam tips. The foam ones can be compressed and then pushed inside your ear. They then expand for a perfect fit. Next in the box, we've got a sticker from One More, a leaflet of their product range and an instruction manual. We then get the carry case, which is a nice solid synthetic leather and a microfiber internal to keep your earphones protected at all times. And I do have to say, I really like this case, and again, it's magnetically shut. We then get an adapter for an aeroplane, although most planes these days have switched to 3.5mm. And finally, we get the earphones themselves. So for a start, these earphones look great quality. They do look like expensive earphones. We've got a braided cable for the most of it, all the way to the 3.5mm jack, and a silicone cable at the top end after the splitter. It's more suitable to have that at the top so that you don't feel the weight on your ears. We've also got an inline remote control that will allow you to control your Android or iOS device. You can use this to control your music or even your calls. The center button is a play pause, or you can use it to answer your phone, and the side buttons are your volume up and down. This also has a microphone on the back for when you are taking calls. So the earphones themselves have 3 drivers on each earpiece, one dynamic driver for the bass with dual balance armatures to deliver a very accurate listening experience. The drivers have a frequency response from 20 to 40,000 Hz, sensitivity of 99 decibels and a 32 ohm impedance. It's got a gold plated 3.5mm connection jack. The earpieces themselves are made of an aluminium alloy with a sandblasted textured surface, and they're available in both silver or rose gold. But the first thing to say about these is they do look beautiful and they fit very comfortable in your ear. With a wide range of tips, you should always be able to find one to suit your ear. In terms of the audio, the triple driver setup really does bring you some high quality audio. These provide a very clean sounding experience that you can really hear each specific part of the music. Although the sound is very balanced, they do still deliver a great amount of bass, not to the extent where it's too much, but you get really punchy bass, and it's really good at holding lower frequencies and still keeps it clean. The sound coming from these is incredibly detailed. It highlights vocals and higher tones while still retaining the lower ends without any distortion. For the price point, they're the best high-res audio earphones I've ever used. I found the foam tips were much better for longer periods of listening, and the silicone tips were better for me when jogging or doing other exercises. And overall, in my opinion, they are excellent earphones and they really are achieving the task they're trying to do here. They're delivering great professional audio at a much cheaper cost, and recently I've been using a lot of Bluetooth earphones that really can't match the quality that comes from these, mainly due to the Bluetooth limitations, so it has been very refreshing to make the switch. Now of course, these are aimed more at the audiophile market for people who want to really listen to the music and appreciate the whole range. As well as that, I would say that these are great for anyone who listens to more electronic music where low quality headphones just cannot accurately produce the bass. These do a great job at playing punchy bass, lower tones. They can play them nice and loudly without any distortion. So for anyone that does appreciate music and wants this level of accuracy, they are a great choice at a low cost. But of course, for other people maybe not so worried about the clarity, or simply just put your earphones in to listen to a bit of pop music, then you probably aren't going to appreciate appreciate them as much. As I said, they're available in silver or rose gold. The ones I've gone with are silver, and I do really like the design. It's a nice two-tone design that really does look like a high quality product. Now, of course, for anyone that would like to purchase these or even just look at some further information, I've placed links down in the description below if you want to go and have a look. And of course, if you've got any problems or any questions about these, leave them down in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.